Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to save a Google Sheets file as an Excel file using the Google Sheets app on Android. This is useful when you need to share your file in a widely compatible format. Follow these simple steps and you'll have it done in no time. Open the Google Sheets app on your Android phone. Next, find and open the spreadsheet file you want to convert. Then tap the three vertical dots located at the top right corner of your screen. After that, scroll down and select the option labeled Save As, Excel File. Finally, the file will be saved to your device in Excel format, ready to be shared or opened with other apps. To wrap up, saving your Google Sheets file as an Excel document on Android is quick and simple. By following these steps, you can easily convert and manage your spreadsheets in the format you need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.